In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your office workflow in Microsoft Word. Let's start with file management, because a tidy system saves time every single day. Agree on a consistent naming convention so you can instantly tell what a file is, who it's for, and when it was last updated. Something like project name _ document title _ v1 _ yyyymmdd. Docs works beautifully. The version number and date make it clear what's current, and the structure keeps your team on the same page. Next, save your documents to Microsoft OneDrive or SharePoint. Storing files in the cloud gives you automatic backup, access from any device, and unlocks powerful features like version history and real-time co-authoring. While you're at it, pin your most important files so they're always at the top of your recent list. Open the file once, then use the pin icon in the file. Open View to keep it within easy reach. Now, let's streamline collaboration and review. With your files in OneDrive or SharePoint, you can co-author in real time. No more emailing different versions around. To maintain editorial control, turn on track changes from the Review tab so Word captures every insertion, deletion, and format tweak. Use comments to add questions or suggestions without touching the main text. When it's time to review, use the Next and Previous buttons to move through edits in order, accepting or rejecting changes one by one. If someone worked on a separate copy without track changes, use Review. Compare to generate a document that highlights all differences, making reconciliation fast and accurate. For day-to-day speed, master a few essential keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+S to save, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste, Ctrl+C to undo, and Ctrl+V, Ctrl+I, and Ctrl+U for bold, italic, and underline. Small habits like frequent saving can prevent lost work. Customize the Quick Access Toolbar so your favorite commands are one click away. Right-click a command such as paste as plain text or clear formatting and choose Add to Quick Access Toolbar for instant access. Don't format from scratch. Create templates for recurring documents, reports, letters, invoices, so branding and layout are consistent. Use the Styles pane for headings and body text. This keeps formatting uniform and allows you to generate a table of contents automatically for long documents. Finally, automate repetitive tasks with macros. Go to View greater than macros to record a sequence you perform often and assign it a shortcut. And use autocorrect to expand common abbreviations, like turning RFI into request for information the moment you type it. Follow these practices, and Word becomes a reliable system that saves time, reduces errors, and keeps your team aligned.